All right, so we're going to move on to our math. You'll need your math book, your crayons, and we'll read our story. So we're going to be working on the number 8. This is the number or the numeral. Here's the word. Let's spell it together. E-I-G-H-T. 8 legs are great. It is about a spider, and spiders have 8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Being a spider, super cool. 5, 6, 7, 8. Having 8 legs sure is great. 8 legs are great to lead a cheer and ride a little bike. Oh my gosh, look. There's 6 legs pedaling the bike, 2 steering the bike. That's silly. 8 legs are great to run a race and take a teeny hike. Can you imagine though if spiders actually wore shoes? Look at all the shoes you'd have to keep track of. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 just to match. 8 more. That's a lot of shoes. 8 legs are great to jump a rope and balance on a gate. Ooh, you have lots of extra hands or legs for balancing. 8 legs are great to swing and then to roller skate. Oh my gosh, even more things to keep track of. Roller skates and knee pads. 8 legs are great to jitterbug and creep across a pie. 8 legs are great to weave a web. I made mine really high. 1, 2, 3, 4. Being a spider, super cool. 5, 6, 7, 8. Having 8 legs sure is great. All right, 8 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little eggs. Ooh, little eggs. Oh, there they are. There's 8 in the nest. 8 friendly spiders, not spiders that bite, friendly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What other sets of 8 do you see? Oh, let's count the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Let's count the pink flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh, no. Let's count the yellow flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. How about the purple ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. How about the snails? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, for snails. And let's try to count the ladybugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, let's clap 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And touch the ground. Jump 8 times and spin around. Stomp 8 times and cheer and shout for a wonderful number we can't live without, 8. All right, find your math book. Last time we did page 7. We're going to work right next to it on page 8. And get your crayons ready. All right, so over here we've got some squares. These are actually going to be called linking cubes because normally if we were at school, we'd get to play with little cubes that link together, like little blocks that connect. All right, so we've got some numbers over here and we've got some color words. So I'm going to look what it says. I know this is the number 1 and this is a color word. 1, red. So find your red and make the first 1 red. Easy peasy. This one says 2 yellow. So these 2 will be yellow. All right, next one, 3 green. Try your best to stay in the lines and not make your squares or your linking cubes super messy. We want to do our best to stay in those squares. 3, look, it's growing by 1 each time. We're getting 1 more. So 1 more than 3 is 4, 4 orange. 4 orange. What color do you think is going to be next? Let's see. Now we're going to go by up 1 more. So 1 more than 4 is 5. 5, and that's the word blue. 5 blue. Blue. And then I'm going to ask you a question, and you can answer. All right. How many green cubes were there? Take some time to count them and then answer. How many green cubes were there? The answer is 3. All right. How many red are there? How many are red? 1. How many blue cubes are there? Blue ones. How many blue? Take some time to count them. 5. How many orange cubes are there? How many that are orange? 4. And how many yellow cubes are there? How many yellow? 2. And then let's count them all together. We're going to count all of them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 cubes in all. Wow. All right, turning our page. We're going to practice writing our 8. So 8s are a little bit tricky, but there's a little trick to help you to learn how to write an 8. So I'm going to show you just on the side over here. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to show you the letter S. So the letter S looks like this. If you connect this to this, look, it turns into an 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to make an S, and then we're going to go back home, all right? So the rhyme goes like this. Make an S and go back home. Make an S and go back home. Make an S and go back home. That's how we write the number 8. So we need our red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple, all right? So we always start at the dot, and we're going to follow the arrow. So we're going to go up and around this way. So look, we go, and then we go down this way. Make an S and go back home. We go back to the dot. Now with your orange, try it. Make an S and go back home. Yellow. Make an S and go back home. Green. Make an S and go back home. Blue. Make an S and go back home. And purple. Make an S and go back home. That's how we write the number 8. Okay, then we're gonna try some by ourselves. If it's too tricky, just try your best. If you make a mistake, that's okay. 8s are hard. So watch me. I'm gonna make an S, right? And then I'm gonna go back with my red. Try it with your orange. Make an S and then go back. Yellow, make an S and then go back. Green, make an S and then go back. Blue, make an S and go back. And purple, make an S and go back. So we'll practice 8s a lot more. This is just the very beginning. So if it's hard, that's okay. Do your best.